Alright, so our friends at Strong Hand Tools have been liking our Tool Time Tuesdays. They know that we're a fan. We also run their notcher, which will be coming up on a Tool Time Tuesday. They sent us these nice torch holders, one for the Tig and one for the MIG. Now they've got some pretty cool features. So the one thing I really like about these ones for the Tig, it's got this cradle it just falls down into. And then it's got this cord wrap, or I use a lot of time just to hold respirators, because I always weld with the respirator. It'll support your hood just as well. And it's all adjustable. If you want the accessory hanger on the other side, just undo the bolt and move it to the other side. Pretty easy. But it's got a good strong magnet. I mean, you got to kind of push on it, but your torch doesn't really weigh that much. So we had these once on Harbor Freight, and the reason why I really didn't like these for the Tig is that they want to fall out of this real easy. And these cups, especially if you run these Pyrex cups at all, time those hit the ground, it gets in your pocket pretty quick. And the nice thing about these are, they really don't cost much more than the ones from Harbor Freight. Another issue. And then the one for the MIG, pretty cool. It's very adjustable. So I just got some tension on it because I don't really know yet where I want it. We haven't been doing a whole lot of MIG lately. Real easy with gloves on. So just put it in there. And it's got the same accessory, but you can put your respirators, your hoods, and that kind of stuff on there. And if you want this accessory to be on this side, just undo the screw and move it to the other side. If you like it more of a lay down, you can put it there, or if you want it up, you can adjust it just about anywhere you want, which is kind of nice. And it's got this little accessory for your clippers. Then if you run the gel for the anti-spatter, you can fill this little cup up and it'll just sit right there. What I like about them is they're fully adjustable. And I wanted to use them a little bit instead of just, trying to hawk something that someone sent for a free product. I would have bought these anyway. But for just a little bit more money than what you spent on these, go down in the description and you can buy these from Amazon, or you can buy them straight from Strong Hand. They make a lot of good stuff. You'll see a lot more of the Strong Hand stuff on the channel. Like I said, we have bought a lot of the Strong Hand stuff, so it's not like they're flooding our channel with product. Little stuff like this Tig feeder. It's cool little products that you can use in your garage. So that's what we are here. We're a garage fab shop. Stuff like this, it makes it easier. It doesn't break the bank because you can always spend more. But why if you're getting a good product at a reasonable price? So check out the description for these products. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this stuff. And remember, the country needs more people who can do things with their hands. Go out and build something today. And I'll see you here for places to use stuff like this.